Greetings from Snake Mountain Boatworks on Friday, December 20, 2019. We're about to blow through another major milestone on the 1956 17-foot Chris Craft Special Sportsman. As you can see, her inner skin has been installed, bedded in 3M 5200, and that's mahogany 5200, so that when we clean the interior squeeze out, we leave mahogany behind. If you use white and then put the Chris Craft mahogany bilge paint in the bilge, you run the risk of the paint chipping off the 5200 and creating a sea of white spots. Now, Joe and Anthony are in the process of applying the exterior planking to the hull. And here we're using the white Sikaflex because on top of it there'll be 5 coats of Interlux 2000E two-part barrier coat primer, followed by Pettit copper bronze hard racing bottom paint. So I'm just going to hand it over to Joe to talk about the process here. Once again, I know we have many videos with 5200 bottoms being applied, but it never hurts to have one more. So, Joe, what shall we share with the community?
Yeah, absolutely. So what we're doing is, before we started laying the planks down, we laid all of them all out and marked the pattern, so that way when we go in to do each board, we have a line so that we can run the 5200 on it. And then once we get the 5200 on it, we will lay it down, and we will, before we set it down, we have all the screws sticking in where the holes go, so that way when you set it down, you're not getting 5200 pop up through all the holes. And then we go through and tighten down every screw, not all the way torqued, but we just have them down enough so it starts getting the squeeze out. Once all of them are all screwed down, we'll go through and torque them down until we get it down tight to where the 5200 is and where it's bonded. And then we're going through with the Interlux 333. That's the brushing liquid. It's pretty much the thinner cleaner for the product 5200. It does take a while to clean up, but it does come off.
Well, we'll go through gallons of the 333, won't we?
Yeah, just in the 6 planks, we've gone through a case and a half.
And then, once all the planks are down, the battens will be installed on the inside. I don't have any particular order here, but some lucky soul gets to be inside and butters the face that will be against the plywood in this case, and then from the outside there are already holes drilled, pilot holes, and we will screw them down, and that will provide stiffness in these bays between the bottom frames. But that can't happen until all of the planks are down. So right now, the guys have installed 2 planks on the port side and, what do I count, 3 on the starboard side. We work from the transom forward. And as you can see, the plywood surface is glistening from all of the Smith's clear penetrating epoxy sealer that's been applied. The bottom planks have all been CPES'd as well. And once we have everything down, we will apply more CPES, because every one of these countersinks has got a little bit of raw wood. And we want to make sure that the wood is sealed there. It'd be kind of a tragedy to seal the entire plank but not the countersinks, which would of course allow for the possibility that water could penetrate through the barrier coat. The probability is extremely low, but that's not good enough for us. We want to protect it, so we will seal all of that as well. You can see that Anthony is cleaning off the end of this plank so that we have a perfectly clean surface when it comes time to apply the next plank forward. So we will continue with this process. Until we have all the planks on, and at that point, the 1956 17-foot Chris Craft Special Sportsman will be sporting a brand new, true 5200 bottom. No shortcuts, no 3M 4200, which doesn't have near the adhesive capability. Everything sealed against water infiltration. Truly a no-soak bottom. Her owners will be able to float her off the trailer and race down the lake. With that, we wish to extend greetings of Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays and a great New Year to one and all in the wooden boat community. Thank you so much. Bye-bye for now from Snake Mountain Boatworks.